I was up on US 12 up on White Pass paving. We were running the asphalt grinder. I had myself and the lead tech up there at that time. We were looking at some of the grind outs he wanted us to take care of. And at that time we heard kind of some commotion and an engine revving. And we looked and coming eastbound, there's a vehicle in our lane doing high rate of speeds. I'd estimate 55, 60 with us standing out there. Luckily, he switched over at that time into the other lane, blew by us. The pilot car was trying to get him stopped and get some information. He continued on, and at that time, some contractors were doing another work just up east from us. He blew through their station, and he later ended up in the wrecking in the river down US Highway 12.
I did have somebody go through one of our work zones out there on 182 just outside of Pasco. Had an onion truck driver full of onions, rear end a car that I think they were trying to merge over, didn't merge over, hit all of our barrels, hit everything. Slammed into the back of the vehicle. I actually got out of the rig and went and checked to see what was going on. Walked up to the scene. I seen that the car was pretty damaged. There was no back end. Seen there was a baby car seat in the back. Heart dropped a little bit because I was concerned. Luckily, the driver had just mentioned that they had just dropped off their child. It just kind of made me realize that that could have been family of my own.
We had closed the left lane, and two vehicles were coming up the I-90 in the right lane extremely fast. They didn't see the signs, and they didn't see the chase vehicle or the maintenance excavator. The first vehicle was coming up really fast onto the excavator, realized he was there, and then swerved over into the left lane. But by that time, he had entered our work zone and went right into the barrels. So then he slammed his brakes and then cut back over into the right lane where the vehicle behind him slammed into him. Luckily, there was all of the damage to the car in the front was to the right side. There was a passenger in the rear, but it was on the left side where there was no damage. If he probably was on the right side, he probably would have been killed.
Slow down, give us the time to do our job.
We want everybody to be aware. That's why we put the signs, that's why we put the barrels out.
Going from 70 to 50 miles an hour or 40 miles an hour for 1 mile, you lose 15 to 20 seconds. It's not worth someone's life.
It's not worth anybody's life, ours or the public's.
We just all want to get home safe.